A senior citizen health plan can look affordable when you see the premium, but during a claim, co-payment, room rent limits and treatment caps can leave you paying a large part of the hospital bill. That is why today we are comparing Care Health Insurance's caresenior with ICICI Lombard's Golden Shield. Both plans are made for senior citizens, but their cover limits, waiting periods and claim restrictions are quite different. Hello everybody, my name is Neil and you're watching Ditto Insurance. If you enjoy simple and honest insurance reviews, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Now let us begin with the insurers. The operation metrics are on your screen right now. caresenior is available from the age of 61 with cover ranging from Rs 3 lakhs to Rs 10 lakhs. Golden Shield, on the other hand, is available from the age of 56, has no maximum entry age limit and offers cover between Rs 5 lakh and Rs 50 lakhs. Now comes one of the biggest concerns in both the plans: co-payment. caresenior has a mandatory 20% co-payment. This means the policy pays 80% of the approved claim while you will have to pay the remaining 20%. Care offers an add-on that can remove this co-payment though. Golden Shield starts with a 50% co-payment. On an approved claim of Rs 10 lakh, you may have to pay Rs 5 lakh yourself. You can reduce the co-payment to 40%, 30% or even 20% by paying an additional premium actually. Room eligibility is also restricted. caresenior limits the normal room rent to 1% of the sum insured per day and the ICU rent to 2%. For a Rs 5 lakh policy, the normal room limit would be Rs 5,000 per day. Golden Shield allows only a shared room when the cover is below Rs 10 lakhs. With a cover of 10 lakhs or more, you can choose a single private room. If you choose a room above the allowed category, you may have to share some of the hospital bill, and that is a drawback. Both plans also have limits for specific treatments. caresenior places caps on treatments such as cataract surgery, knee replacement, hernia, cancer and other certain heart-related conditions. Golden Shield has limits for cataracts, cancer, kidney-related complications, robotic surgeries and other listed treatments. The waiting period for existing diseases is 3 years under caresenior. You can reduce it to 2 years through an add-on. Golden Shield includes a 2-year waiting period for existing diseases in the same base plan. Golden Shield covers eligible expenses for 60 days before hospitalization and 180 days after discharge. caresenior covers 30 days before hospitalization and 60 days after discharge. Both plans offer restoration for a later hospitalization involving a different medical condition. Golden Shield can restore 100% of the cover any number of times during the policy year. caresenior, on the other hand, restores 100% of the cover for another hospitalization involving a different illness. Golden Shield increases the cover by 10% every year up to a maximum increase of 100% even if you made a claim in the previous year. caresenior increases the cover by 10% after every claim-free year up to a maximum increase of over 50%. The accumulated bonus can reduce after a claim. Both plans include annual health checkups and daycare procedures. Golden Shield covers eligible treatments at home and Ayush treatment up to the sum insured. caresenior limits treatment at home to 10% of the sum insured and Ayush treatment to Rs 20,000 depending on the cover you select. caresenior offers add-ons to remove the co-payment, reduce the waiting period cover, consumables and add OPD benefits. Golden Shield offers a co-payment modifier, a claim protector for listed non-medical items and a care management plus program for consultation, diagnostics, pharmacy and nursing support. Now, if you need help with checking the final version of these plans, you can book a free call with Ditto's IRDAI-certified advisors. We can compare the cover based on your parents' age, medical history, preferred hospitals and budget without any spam. The link is in the description. Now, when we bring the comparison together, caresenior starts with the lower co-payment of 20%, but its cover stops at Rs 10 lakh. Its room rent limits are strict. Its waiting period for existing disease is 3 years and several treatments have separate limits. Golden Shield, on the other hand, offers cover up to Rs 50 lakh, a 2-year waiting period for existing diseases, longer pre- and post-hospitalization coverage, a higher bonus limit and wider Ayush and domiciliary coverage. But the standard 50% co-payment can leave you paying half of every approved claim. Golden Shield becomes more practical when the co-payment is reduced and the selected cover allows a single private room. caresenior becomes more practical when the co-payment is removed and its Rs 10 lakh maximum cover is suitable for the buyer. Now, before choosing either plan, compare the final premium, co-payment, room eligibility, treatment limits, waiting periods, nearby network hospitals and medical approval. Until next time, happy insurance hunting.